In this tutorial, I will introduce the hierarchy of categories and show you how to create a new category. For demonstration purposes, we will focus on the expense category. Categories are the primary classifications of income and expenses. They are used for transaction registration, analysis, and budgeting. In this example, we have expense categories such as housing, utility, and meals. You can register transactions under the meals category and track the amount spent on meals for different durations. Additionally, you can set a budget for meals on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. The app allows easy review of budget performance and issues warnings when the budget is exceeded. Subcategories are complementary levels used to describe transactions in more detail. For example, you can register transactions with subcategories such as water, cable, and internet under the utility category, instead of lumping everything together. Transactions registered with subcategories will automatically roll up to the main category for analysis and budgeting purposes. The amount spent on water, cable, and internet will be reflected in the utility category automatically. The use of subcategories is optional throughout the app. Category groups are used to summarize categories and provide high-level analysis. Once specified for a category, figures will be automatically rolled up whenever applicable. For example, if you register transactions under categories such as housing, water, or cable, you can see the overall household spending without any further manipulation. Now, let me show you how to create a new expense category for utility. Select Category in the top-level menu. Select Expense in the second-level menu to view the list of all expense categories. To create a new expense category, click on Add New. Fill in the name field as Utility. Select an icon image and color for the category. Choose the category group as Household. Use the Add New button to create subcategories for water, cable, and internet. You can reorder the subcategories by long-clicking and dragging them. Click the Save button in the top right corner. Now we have a new category created for utility. You can also reorder it by using drag and drop. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you require additional information, you can find detailed documentation in the app menu's Help section.